How to fix Twitter locked profile. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can fix locked profile on Twitter. For that, open your Twitter application on your mobile device. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, you will reach to this interface where at the top left you will find your profile icon. Click on that profile icon to access more menu. From here, scroll down and expand this setting and support. Then click on this setting and privacy option. You will be taken to this page. From here, click on this privacy and safety option, and once you reach to this page, here click on this audience and tagging option on the top. Here you will see protect your post option. At the right side you will see the button which has been enabled currently. Now if you want to fix your locked profile, you will have to disable this button. Simply toggle this button and it will get disabled. Now you can go back and check your profile. There you won't see any locked icon. So in this way you can fix locked profile on Twitter. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.